Yeah, that ugly S word is in the forecast. We could be seeing some flakes flying. No, here's the thing. Not going to be accumulating really at all. Might see some very minor accumulations, impacts of travel, pretty much nothing, but there's several chances nonetheless over the next couple of days. So between the 16th and the 18th of October, that is Friday through Sunday, there are some chances to flakes all of those 3 days, kind of right in between the earliest ever, October 4th of 2014, and the average for snowfall, at least measurable snowfall, which is November 9th. So it is certainly earlier than average, but in the realm of historical probability. So when we say measurable snow, here's what we mean. At least 1/10 of an inch of snow. A trace is less than that, whether it's on the ground or you just see flakes falling, but it's not enough that you can measure it. If you put a snow stick or a ruler down, you just can't see it. It's a flake or two thick and that's it. First trace stats, because of that, and the fact that you really need a human in order to see the flakes and be able to determine whether or not it's measurable or not. It's almost impossible to create stats like that. Some bigger cities have that, where they have 24/7 weather spotters and monitors at the airports or in snow sites. We don't have that in Eau Claire, and we haven't been consistent with our snow measuring really throughout history for that much of time. So here's Futurecast and what to expect. This evening, a few of just these very light, very brief bursts of flakes that don't measure up, otherwise partly cloudy. Tomorrow the clouds increase, and as we go through the middle of the day, especially through the middle of the afternoon, we could have a band or two like this. That does not affect everyone in western Wisconsin. Temperature should be in the low to mid 40s when this goes through. So while flakes can mix in at those temperatures, it's very difficult to get it to stick. It might just be something that you see in the air. Otherwise, anything that sticks should be in the rain category tomorrow, it looks like. Then we clear out again until Saturday morning. So this is Saturday morning. A line of snow is going to be forming. The timing of the day is correct when temperatures are at their coldest, and temperatures likely below freezing or at least near freezing on Saturday morning. This is ahead of a warm front though, so if we do get some minor accumulations, this is our best chance to get 1/10 of an inch to have that first measurable snow. Once that warm front passes, we're going to be warming up into the afternoon, maybe a few raindrops, but actually looking drier during the day. We will see that chance, especially as we have nights like this. If it times with moisture at night, you'll have temperatures near or below freezing, especially closer to sunrise. Slight chance for drizzle or flurries overnight tonight. As for the day tomorrow, high of 45, but again, with the precip moving through in the afternoon, that could fall as rain or snow. It's on the edge of where snow can actually reach it to the ground. Regardless, colder with those temperatures and windy, so it'll have wind chills in the 30s for a good portion of the day like we had today. Saturday morning has that light snow changing over to rain before it clears out actually for the afternoon, which should allow us to warm up into the mid-50s. That's the warmest day of the week, back to the 40s for highs for most of the rest of the 7-day forecast. Lows in the 20s and 30s. So any precip that forms over the next week closer to the morning hours, especially near sunrise, could see some flakes. There are several chances. Better chances are going to be Saturday morning and again Tuesday and Thursday.